So here we have the Shahoo gaming chair. Now in this video, I'm going to unbox it, put it together, and then I'll give you a quick review. Alright, and here's everything that came in the box, so let's go ahead and put it together, and I'm going to time it to see how long it takes. Alright, and there we go, it's all put together. That was pretty simple, and it took just about 16 minutes. The chair has a sturdy metal base, then these casters are a little bit better than the standard ones, because these wheels have silicone on them. It has a nice comfy foam seat, it's about 2.5 inches thick, and then it's covered with this faux leather. And the one I got also has these faux leather carbon fiber accents, which look pretty cool. The armrests also have cushions on them. The chair also has a footrest that folds out like this. It has a lumbar support pillow along with a pillow for your head. Not much padding on the back, but you really don't need that much. The bottom is what's most important. I do think it could have used a bit more padding on these sections here. You can see they're kind of hollow, just makes it feel a little cheaper, but there is some sort of foam padding around this frame. Honestly though, as far as comfort, I am a little bit disappointed. Even when it's extended all the way up, the back of the chair is still just a little bit too short, so when I sit down in it, I'm a little too tall and it just doesn't work. Anyway though, if we assume you're a bit shorter and ignore that for now, the massage feature works alright. Of course, there's a lever to raise and lower the chair, as well as this second lever you can use to lean back in the chair. So yeah, unless you're under 5'8", I don't think you're going to find this chair too comfortable. But if you are a bit shorter or you're getting this for a kid, then it's a decent chair for the price.